If you're experiencing issues with voice chat on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and recover the functionality. Step 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to the Steam Deck settings menu. Ensure that the audio output is set correctly and that the microphone is enabled. Adjust the volume levels to make sure they are not muted or too low. Step 2. Test the microphone. Use a voice recording application or a game with voice chat to test if the microphone is functioning. Speak into the microphone and check if it picks up your voice. If it doesn't, try using a different headset or microphone. Step 3. Update Steam Deck. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to the system settings and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can resolve compatibility issues that may affect voice chat. Step 4. Check game settings. Open the game you are trying to use voice chat in and check its audio settings. Ensure that voice chat is enabled and that the correct microphone is selected. Some games have specific settings that need to be configured for voice chat to work. Step 5. Restart the device. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, restart your Steam Deck. A simple reboot can often fix temporary glitches and restore functionality to the voice chat feature. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and recover your voice chat functionality on the Steam Deck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.